So, hello guys. Today is 11th June.
Today's
Yeah.
11th June, yeah.
Yeah. So I would like to ask you, who are you? Where are you from? And why you came here?
My name is Alex. I'm from Austria, nearly to the border to Switzerland, and maybe 2.5 hours from here. And when I wrote in the internet the Bilderberger meeting about the Bilderberger meeting, I thought, yeah, I have to go. I have to come here, and because this weekend is Bilderberger meeting in St. Moritz, and yeah, I'm not the slave about these people, yeah. For me it's very important to be here, because it's not too much what I can do, but with my presence here, with my stay here, it's more than I do nothing, and a lot of different people from different countries are here, and
yeah.
It's very nice, and it's good to see a lot of people have some information about that.
You came today or yesterday?
Yes, we came today.
Yeah. So have you already some special experience here, or something to remember?
A special experience? I make music since I'm 15, and my band, we have German social critic songs, and yeah, and since maybe 5 years, it was the first time for me I heard about Bilderberger, and it's a very interesting and a very important thing to know about these people, and what about the plans for the people, and yeah, so we are here and all together, and hope we have a very peaceful party, and to show these people.
Not with us.
Yeah,
not with us.
Not with us, and together we are strong, and yeah, it's nice to be here.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
And can I ask you also for
the same question?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Roman.
Yeah.
I'm 25 years old. I'm also from Austria. Normally I come from Germany, but I also live in Austria. The reason my freedom is for me very important, and yes, I think together we are very strong, and I think it's time for a revolution. It's time for a big revolution, and I think so much people wake it up, and yes, I hope. I'm interested to the Bilderberg since 4 years, and I think, oh no, 100 guys can make our world, and no, I think I want to say fuck the one-word mafia. Fuck the one-word mafia, yes. And it's time to change, and
okay.
Yes, I think that's all.
Thank you very much. Thank you.